I know. Sounds right in front of us. Or we love you too.
All right. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll